back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Julia Salvia. It's nice to meet you. You just gonna leave me hanging? Okay. So before we jump into today's video, I want you guys to know that, hello. I want you guys to know that this video is in partnership with makeup.com. There's gonna be an article and a bunch of other stuff that you guys can read all about this look that I'm going to be putting on. Not this one, the one that's later. So make sure to check that out. Everything is in the description. Today's video is all about this palette right here, the Maybelline Total Temptations palette. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve a full look with this palette, and of course a bunch of other awesome products too. So if you want to learn how to get this, then I suggest you keep watching, girlfriend. So springtime is coming. I don't know if Mother Nature wants springtime to come just yet because it's been like a monsoon here. We're gonna be creating a super glowy, and this is just like the classic, like I don't know if this is ever gonna die, and trust me, I really hope it doesn't, but a super glowy makeup with maybe a pop of color. That's what we are going to be doing today. So let's jump into it, and hopefully we can make myself look a little bit more tan. I've already prepped my eyes. I'm just going to jump into this color right here. This is going to go into my crease. I'm going to use this dark brown color in the very crease of my eye so that we can have a little bit more depth. Then with my finger, I'm going to use this peachy color right on my lid. And then I'm taking this super pretty eyeshadow right here. This is a very light color. This is going to go on the inner corners and on the brow bone. Oh, did you miss me? So for liner, I'm going to take a thin brush and I'm going to go into this black, and I'm just going to tight line the top part of my lashes. For mascara, I'm going to use the Total Temptation mascara to prep my eyelashes for some falsies, because what look would this be without some falsies, guys? The falsies I'm going to be using are the MAC number 48 falsies with some Huda Beauty black lash glue. Alright guys, so now that our eyes are done, we're going to be moving on to the face. Yay! I'm going to start off my face with the NYX Primer Drop. And I'm going to blend it in with the NYX Professional Makeup Sponge. For foundation, I'm going to use the NYX Total Control. I want to call it Total Drop Control, but it's just Total Control Foundation. So to add to the foundation, I put one layer on. We're going to do a second layer. And the second layer I'm going to mix with this highlighter in the Total Temptation palette. So I'm just going to take a little spoolie and I'm just going to scratch a little bit of it off and mix it all together and put on my face. So for blush and bronzer and highlight, I'm going to use this palette. For bronzer, I'm going to use a mix of these two colors down here. For blush, a mix of these two colors. And for highlight, a mix of these two colors. Did you guys get that right? Bronzer, blush, highlight. To finish off the eyes, I'm just going to carry all the shadows on the top to the bottom. For my lips, I'm going to contour them with this NYX Micro Contour Duo Pencil. So I'm going to zoom you guys in. So for color, I'm gonna be using this YSL Velopt Liquid Color Balm. I think I said that right. And finally, to finish off this look, I'm just gonna spray some of the Wet n Wild setting spray. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Let me know if you pick up this palette and how you use it to create a full face makeup look like this. And also, what are your go-tos for the spring? I'm ready for spring. I'm really ready for spring. Please. Don't forget to check out my other videos right here, and of course don't forget to subscribe to me right here, you guys. I will see you guys really soon. I love you and bye. See you next time.